Hello, it's Amanda with Music Game Club, and I am showing you all of our Scarecrow Scores boom cards today. So the first deck covers all the important signs that your students will see in a score, like the segno, the coda, the fermata, the finale, first and second endings, DC al finale, DS al coda. All of these things can be so confusing for students, but if they understand what they mean, then they'll be able to navigate their scores more easily. So as you can see here, it's a very simple drag and drop. What is the symbol? What does it mean? Our second deck covers the same symbols, but it gives a different gameplay where they tap the answer instead of dragging and dropping, and it also gives them multiple symbols to select from. This will help your students if they get things like the segno and the coda confused. They'll see both of them sometimes and they have to select the correct one. Deck 3 is really good for your beginning students because it teaches the students things like the double bar, measures, bar line, the clefs, the time signature, everything on a normal score, not all the fancy symbols, just your basic score. And of course they get to drag and drop the cute little prose to every single part there is. Deck 4 is specifically to teach students the different types of endings: DS, DC, finale, and coda. And there are two different ways these cards are featured. First, they can drag the symbol that's needed, and then second, they drag the definition into the box. This will ensure that the student knows exactly what every single part of these long DC al finale or DC al coda, exactly what every single part means. I hope you and your students enjoy Scarecrow Scores boom cards. If you want more boom cards, check us out on Boom Learning, or if you want the printable game of Scarecrow Scores where you can customize the score for every single student, check out musicgameclub.com/shop.